Hello guys, so I've been working on this project for quite some time. It's a repository for beginners to learn Golang as fast as possible, and it can also be used as a reference by experienced developers. So as you can see here, I have a list of topics: introduction, basic syntax, interfaces, maps. We have data structures, we have algorithms, and each section has code, and it also has like a documentation. So when you come to the repo here, we have the core Golang features, whereby we have the file, and we have a documentation for it. I have a documentation for it. So that's for introduction. You can come to interfaces. You can come in C Go, where you're calling C code in Golang, of course. Then we have the data structures lists and how you can use them. Then we have conversions, of course, converting from one data type to another. Okay. And then we also have examples, like full examples, like web development, generics, stacks, string operations, case, titles. It's quite a lot. It covers a majority of the things that you might need in your day-to-day programming. So the reason I've made this repo, it's because you can mostly use it for my reference. I want to reference something as fast as possible. I just go to the repo and I get it. We have the sorting algorithms, bubble sort, heap sort, and a lot other, and so much more. So when you come to this repo, it's called Go Mastery. You're going to get the code. Of course, you can clone it. Then after cloning it, you're going to get this repo here. So guys, basically that's what I wanted to share with you. So just go to the repo, test it out, and leave a star, create other pull request. If there's an issue, you can also file the issue. I'll leave the comment, the link to this repo in the description below. So thank you guys.